Good morning students, welcome back to Information Technology. In today's lectures you are going to learn the JavaScript from the lesson number 3, Impressive Web Designing. In JavaScript lecture first. So in these lectures, client-side scripting you are going to learn. So what is JavaScript? So there are a variety of scripting language used to develop dynamic web pages. And JavaScript was initially created to make web pages alive, and they don't need a special preparations or a compilation to run like other programming. For example, C++. This type of programming requires special compilations program. When we have written the programs, we have to compile it first and then we can run. So while compiling, this type of program shows the error. In JavaScript, you are not able to find the errors. So that's why you no need to require special compilations for the JavaScript. Using HTML, one can only design a web page but cannot implement any logic on web browser, like additions of two numbers, check any condition, looping statement, for while, decision making statement, if else, etc. And this is possible by embedding JavaScript block into HTMLs. The last lectures we have learned the HTMLs, and on HTML only used to create a web page, but attractive and the live web page you want to create, then you need to learn JavaScript, because JavaScripts allow us to do the additions, use conditions, as well as the looping statement in the programming. So let's see the scripting language. What is scripting language? A script is a list of command. Script is a list of command that are executed by a scripting engine, and scripts are used to generate a dynamic web page on the web. And script can be opened and edited by using a text editors. Now we are using the notepad or the Sublime text editor to write a HTML program. The same text editors we can use to write a JavaScript program, because JavaScript we can add in the HTML program. So insertions of JavaScript in HTMLs. How we can use JavaScript in HTML? In JavaScript can be used for client sides or server side scripting language. Client means a computer, which computer we use to write a HTML page. The same computer we can use to write a JavaScript code in HTML, or the server side scripting language. So JavaScript code can be inserted in HTML program between script and opening script and closing script tag. Opening script and closing script tags. So this is the opening script and this is the closing script tag. So language attribute is used to set a script language, and you can place any number of script in HTML, and there are two methods to insert a JavaScript in the HTML. So scripts can be placed in the body section or in head section. So there are two sections in HTML that when we write a HTML program, we are writing some text in the body, so that will be printed on the web page, that will be displayed on the web page. But we are writing in the head section. We are inserting only the title tag, and we are writing the title in the title tag. But in the JavaScript, when you are going to write the script, you can place that script in the body section as well as the head section. So body section and the head section we can use to write a JavaScript program. So here is the script place inside the body sections. While writing the JavaScript code, your HTML code will remain same. That is first doc type HTML, then HTML, then you are going to use the head tag. Then in the head section there should be title tag. It is not necessary every time you can use the title tag, but if you use, then that will be the good practice. You can use the title tag to give the title to your program. Then you can use the head tag, opening tag and close tag. Then start with the body tag. In the body section, here you can place this JavaScript, means here you can place the script. So while using the script, you can use the script tag. So script language equal JavaScript. So this text you are going to add script language equal JavaScript, and here you can place the statement, JavaScript statement you are going to place here. And once you have finished writing the statement, then you can close the script tag. So opening tag and closing script tag is important, and then close the body tag, and finally you are going to close the HTML tag. So this is the place where you can insert JavaScript. that is called body section. Now one more place is there where you can place the JavaScript, that is head section. The first tag will remain same, that is doc type HTML, then HTML head. After finish giving the title, then you can start inserting the script tag. So script tag, script language equal JavaScript, and then JavaScript statement you are going to use. Then close the script tag and then close the head tag. Once you close the head tag, then in the body section whatever thing you're going to write, that you can place in the body section, and finally close the HTML tag. So these are the two methods we can use to place the JavaScript. So one is by using body section and another one is using head section. So it is best practice to terminate JavaScript statement with the semicolons. While writing every statement in JavaScript, you are going to use the semicolon. So semicolon is important. It is not required if you write each statement on a new line, but once you are going to end the statement, you can put the semicolon. Now we are going to learn the variable. What is variable? So the variable is a basic unit of storage in a JavaScript program. When you are going to write a JavaScript program, you want to store something in the program, and where you are going to store? By using the variable. So that's why we must learn the variables. So what is the use of variable? Variable is used to store the informations in the particular variable name. So rule for the declaring the variable. The first rule is variable name may consist of a alphabet, digit, and underscore, and dollar character with the following rules. Now the first rule, they must start with an alphabet. When you are going to use the variable, when you are going to declare the variable, that variable must start with an alphabet. Alphabet means A to Z. Second rule, uppercase and lowercase are distinct, and this means that variable sum is not as a sum. Means this sum is written in small and another place you are written in capital, then this will be two different variables. Another example I am going to use, suppose you have written A capital and the another place you have written the A small. So this A and this A is totally different from each other. Means this in JavaScript it will consider as a two different variables. Means when you are going to declare the variable, either you are going to declare the variable capital or small. This is the second rule. The third rule, it should not contain blank space or special symbol except underscore. It should not contain blank space or special symbol except underscore. You can use the underscore, but you should not use any other symbol while declaring the variable, or you should not place blank space in the variable. Fourth rule, standard keyword are not allowed as a variable name. For example, if, you cannot use if as a variable. While you cannot use do. So do variable also you cannot use. So if, do, while, this type of keyword are called reserve keyword, and this keyword you should not use as a variable. You can use variable any other latest, any alphabet you can use as a variable name. Variable name can be limited up to 255 characters. That cannot be exceed than 255 character. You can use less than 255 character, but you should not go behind this 255 characters. Maximum character you can use, that is 255 character long. Variable name you can use in the JavaScript. So while using the variable in JavaScript, you must use the var keyword to declare the variable. To declare the variable, which keyword you are going to use? var. So var keyword you are going to use to declare the variable in JavaScript. Let's see the syntax, how to declare the variable name. So while writing the variable name, first keyword you are going to use, that is var, and then the variable name. For example, var, and then you can use the name of the variable, for example a. So variable a. So this is the variable name. Then variable name, you can write ABC or any other letters you can write. So like this also you can use ABC. So variable ABC. So declare more than one variables, you can use comma between the variables. So variable a, b, c, and I'm writing the next variable, that is d. So variable a, b, c, then comma you put, and then d you can write. So these are here two variables are there, so variable can be separated by using comma. So example, here it is given variable a comma b comma c. Here are three different variables are there. So variable a, b, and c have been declared. So variable z equal 40 and y equal 100. So declaring variables with the initializations. Here directly value is assigned to the variable. So 40 value is assigned to the variable z, and the 100 value is assigned to the variable y. So here two different variables are there, and two different values are assigned to the variables. Now we are going to see what are data types. When you are going to write a JavaScript program, we must use the data types. The computer is mainly used to store information and to do complex calculations. When we store information, it is in the form of alphabet, number, or alphanumeric value, and JavaScript provide data type to store and use different type of values. And that are first is number type. The number type numerical values specially belong to the number data type, and number data type store or holds both whole number means integer or decimal point number, which store the fractional part of number, also called as a floating point number. A number data type can hold positive as well as a negative value. For example, here it is given, so variable y equal 1 lakh, variable z equal minus 67.99. so here negative value is given, here positive value is given, means it can hold whole number, that is integer, as well as floating point number. So that will come in number types. The next data type is string type. Next data type is string type. Strings are used for storing text. You want to store the text in your program, you must use the string data type. It is used for storing text, and string must be inside of either double or single quote. Either double or single quote. For example, variable x equal double inverted quote hello world. Suppose hello world you want to store in the variable x, then you must place the hello word in double inverted quote or the single inverted quote. You can use a single inverted quote also. So you can place that word in a double inverted quote or single inverted quote. Here it is given the next example, variable str equal information technology, and it is enclosed with a single quote. So single quote or double quote you can use to place the text for the string type. Next is boolean type. Next data type is the boolean, and it is represent only two value, that is true and false. That is true and false. All relational, conditional, and logical operation produce boolean value, that is true or false, or yes or no. When we are going to do the comparison, for example, you are going to do the comparison, 10 is greater than 9. So 10 is greater than 9. Here comparison is taken, and once you have given this value to the computer is going to compare both the value, and it will going to display the result, and this result will come in either true or false. So the result will come here true. So the 10 greater than 9 is a correct condition is given over here. That's why the value will be displayed in the boolean type, that is true. If the condition found false, it display the value false, or sometime the value will be display yes or no, and that purpose we can use the boolean type. Next is infinity. This data type is used for division by 0, gives you another special value. For example, a equal 3 divided by 0, so result will be infinity. So that purpose we can use the infinity data type. The next data type is null, null. In JavaScript, null is just a value, which means nothing, empty, unknown. It is supposed to be something that does not exist. Sometime we'll get a result empty, means the null data type is used over there. Undefined, sometime we are writing the programs, and without defining any variables we are going to find out the result, and the computer display the error and it display the undefined. In JavaScript, returns undefined means when variable which is declared but not assigned. Sometime we are declaring the variable, for example variable a, b and c, and when we are going to declare the result, that time we are not using, means one place we already assign use but we are not assigned that, so that is called as the undefined. And then Java interpret shows that it is undefined. For example variable age, alert age, here variable age is defined over here, but not assigned over here. So that is the use of undefined data. So altogether here 6 data type we can use while writing the JavaScript program. First one is the number type, second is string type, third one is boolean type, fourth one is infinity, fifth one null, and undefined. Now we are going to learn the operators. What is operator? So operators are used to do arithmetic and logical operation. Operators are used to do arithmetic and logical operations. So operators that require one operand is called as the unary operator. Unary operator, and operator that requires two operand are called as the binary operators. So there are two different operators are there. Once again I repeat, the operator that require one operand is called as the unary operator, and the operator that requires two operands are called as the binary operator. Most of the operators can be divided into groups, that is arithmetic operator, relational operator, and the logical operators. So now we are going to see the arithmetic operators. You have learned this all operated when you are learning from 5th standard onward or the 2nd standard onward. All these operator already you learn. Arithmetic operator are used in mathematical expression, and in the same way that they are used in algebra. For example, variable a equal 40 and b equal 4.5. Suppose you are going to make the addition of this operator by using the different operator. The first operator is the plus, also called as the addition. So a plus b, we can use it for that operator, a plus b, the result will get over here. Similarly, the next operator is minus, that is called subtractions. So a minus b, so example is given a minus b, the result you will get like that. The next multiplication, so multiplication sign you will not get on the keyboard, so like this we are using the multiplication sign like this, but this sign is not present on the keyboard, that's why we are going to use the star. So star means multiplication, also called the asterisk sign, that you are going to use with the variable. So first variable multiplied by second variable, that is a multiplied by b, and the result will be displayed like this. So next you want to divide two operand, then you can use the slash, that is called the division. So division, so first variable divided by second variable, and then the result will be displayed. And then you can use percentage sign. The percentage operator is used for modulus purpose, and it returns remainder after division. It returns remainder after division, that is a divided by b, means a, then you can use the percentage sign and then the second variable, and then you will get a result. So this way you can use the operator to write a program in JavaScript. This is all called as the arithmetic operators. This is all called as the arithmetic operators. So now we are going to learn how to write a JavaScript programs. Before we go for that, I'm going to explain the same program which we are going to write. So look here in your textbook, it is given on page number 44. The program is written here. You, by using this program, we can find out the multiplications of two number. So the first tag will remain same, that is exclamation doc type HTML, then the HTML, then head, then you can give the title multiplications, then you can use the body. You know that while writing the JavaScript program, either you can use in the head section or you can use body section to write the JavaScript program. Now here it is written in the body section. So body background color yellow it is given. H1 tag is used to write program to calculate multiplication of two number. This heading is given by using H1 tag. and then they can use the script language. Now script language equal JavaScript, and here three variables are declared: variable a, b and c. The first variable to store the first value, second variable is used to store the second value, and the third variable is used to store the result of the first and second variable. Now the first variable a, so its value is assigned 76, a equals 76 and b equal 99.40. Fraction is used here. See here positive value, in here fraction is used, means two different variables, and their multiplication is done in the c variable. So c equal a multiplied by b. So multiplication sign is not there on the keyboard, that's why you can use the asterisk sign or the star sign on the keyboard. And then you can use this document.write. This body you are going to use document.write. This statement you are going to use to print the statement on the web page. So here it is printed at multiplication of two numbers. In double inverted code you can write, then you can use the plus sign, and the where you store the result, you store the result in the c. So c variable here it is used, and then it is completed with the h1. Here h1 tag is used, why they wanted to print in large size, that's why they use the h1 tag. And then you can close the script tag, then close the body tag, and then the html. Then you will get the output like this: program to calculate multiplication of two number. Multiplication of two number is this is the result. So now we are going to see how we can write this program. We can write the same program by using JavaScript. To write this program, you first open Sublime Text Editor or Notepad. You can use any one. Okay, so I have opened here Sublime Text Editor. Now first tag, which tag we are going to use, that is called exclamation doc type HTML. After that we are going to use the HTML. Then we can use head tag. In the head section we can give the title we can give multiplications of two numbers, and then close the title tag. Then close the head tag. Now start with body tag. Body bg color equal yellow. Write in double inverted code this part, yellow. If you are using Sublime Text Editor, then save this file. So you will get the text automatically in different color. So body bg color equal yellow I have given. Now we can use the script tag. So here we can use the script tag. So script type equal or script language equal JavaScript. We can write script language equal JavaScript. Script language equal JavaScript. Now here we are going to declare the variable. To declare the variable in JavaScript, which keyword we are using? var. So variable a equal, I am writing here 10. Then variable b equal 20, and then I am writing variable c I am using to store the result of a and b. So a multiplied by b. And each statement you are going to complete with a semicolon. Now we are going to print the result, that is 10 multiplied by 20. This result you got. To print this result you can use document dot write, and then in bracket in double inverted code you can write multiplications of two number, multiplication of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers. And then where you have stored this result in the C variable, so you can use plus C to write to display this result. So this variable you are going to use here, okay, and then complete the semicolon. Now complete the script tag and then complete in body sections. Once again you can use the h1 tag to give the this one heading to your program, which program you have written. So you can write here multiplication of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers, and then close the h1 tag. Now close the body tag and close the HTML tag. So here we have finished writing the program. Now save this program, go to the file and click on save. And once you finish writing this program, then open in the browser. Now I am opening this program in the browser to check the output. Open in the browser and see the multiplication of two numbers. Multiplication of two numbers are 200. So the result you got 200 because 10 multiplied by 20 is 200. So this is the correct output you got. Suppose you have not assigned directly this value to the variable, then the computer will take any value as a for the A variable and the B variable. That we are going to see in the next lectures, how to use the prompts, ask the user to enter any value. So this way you can write a JavaScript program by using different arithmetic operator. Now we have used the multiplications operator. Now we are going to see the another operator, that is subtraction, minus. Now see 10 minus 20 we cannot do, that's why I'm using 100, and 100 minus 60 I'm using 100. So variable A equal 100, variable B equal 60, and variable C equal A minus B. And now I'm going to change the statement, difference between two number. Now difference between two numbers. Let's see what is the output we are getting. Here also we are going to change the same statement you are going to write. So two number, program to find difference between two numbers, program to find difference between two numbers. Now save this program, save, and give the name difference.html. click on save. I am saving this program on the desktop. Save and open this program and check whether you got the correct output or wrong. Open in the browser and check. So here, program to find difference between two numbers. So difference between two number is 40, because we have used this two number, that is 100 and 60. So 100 minus 60, result come 40. So this is second operator I use here, that is called subtraction. Before that I used the multiplication. Now I'm going to show you how to divide this number by using the slash. Now slash, if you use here, program to find quotient, program to find quotient of a number. Now here you can write of a number, and now save this file, quotient.html. While saving this program of JavaScript, you have to use the same extension as we are using to save the HTML program. The HTML extension you are going to use. Save this and open in the browser and check is what answer you are getting. See, the quotient of number is 1.666. So that number is already is. So this way we can use the division operator. Now we are going to find out the remainder. What will be the remainder of this number? So here we are going to use the percentage sign, and here program to find the remainder of a number. So remainder of a number. So remainder of a number. Save this file .html and open in the browser and check it what answer you are getting. So program to find remainder of a number. See, the remainder of a number is 40. So this is the answer of these questions once you divide a number by this one. So here a divided by b, so 60, 100 divided by 60, that's why that answer you got. So this way you can use a different operator to find out the answer. Suppose you are going to use the plus sign, it will display the different result. Now we are going to use the plus sign and check what result you are getting. Here you will get a 100 plus 60 you will get, because JavaScript need the another this variable that is called pass integer. Now suppose you are going to program to find out the addition of two numbers. Now here we are going to write addition of a number. Save this file and open in the browser. You will get different result. Addition exactly. So look here, what result you got. 100 plus 60, 100 plus 60, that addition already got, that is a 160. So program to find addition of number is 160. So this way we can use the operator to find out the result. So by using different operator we can write the JavaScript programs. So all operator I have used in this program, and I have showed you all the operators by using the JavaScript program. So this is the use of the JavaScript. On HTML we used to create a plain web page, but by using JavaScript we can make that web page alive by using the validations, by using the additions, by using the conditions. In the next lecture we are going to see the comparison operator also, that is called the logical operator. Now we are going to see the operator in JavaScript. So JavaScript plus operator has two meaning: arithmetic addition and string concatenative operator. Just now we have seen how to use the plus operator. So variable a equal 15 plus hello, if you are written, then 15 hello will come. Variable a equal 15 plus 7 plus hello, then it will display 22 hello. So like this result you want, then you can use this operator. So find the result of 20 plus 20, it will be displayed 20 20. 10 plus 20 means 30 plus 2 will be displayed a 32. So like this result will be displayed. So examples are given here. Variable p equal 400, assign value to the variable p. Then the variable e 457.930, assign value to the variable e. Here variable string equal hello, assign string value to the variable str, and variable c equal d, assign value of d to c. Next is assignment operator. This operator is used to assign the value. Just now we say then variable str equal hello, so this hello word is assigned to the string value to the variable str. So it is important to know that assignment operator is not equal to operator, but assignment operator is used to assign the value an expression to a variable, and this means that value of expressions on the right hand side is assigned to the single variable on the left hand side, and value of variable may change during the next programming instruction. So now expression, there is a difference between algebraic mathematical equation and the computer programming statement. The following, these are the statement are valid expression in algebraic mathematics, but they are invalid in the programming language. Now see, a plus b equal 10 means this algebraic mathematics it is the correct, but in the programming it is shows error. A plus b equals c plus d, it shows again error, but in the mathematics it is correct. C plus d equal p, in the mathematics it is correct, but in the programming it shows the error. 10 equal x, in the algebra mathematics it shows the correct result, but in the programming it shows the error. But x equal 10 is the correct value is assigned to the x. So remember that in the programming statement, equal operator just evaluate right side expression and assign it to the left side, the right hand assign to the left side of equal operator always contain a single variable, and x equal 10 is the valid one. So this way if you assign any value to the variable, that will be the correct value. So I hope you understood how to assign the value to the variable and how to write a JavaScript program in the HTMLs. There are two places where you can write a JavaScript program. That is, the first place is the body section and the second place is the head section. By using any one method, you can write your JavaScript program. While writing the JavaScript program, keep in your mind the script language equals JavaScript, the script tag you are going to use, and to display the result you must write a document dot write this statement to display the result, and you have to use the variable to store the value. Once you store the value in the variable name, so that you can use the operator to get the result. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. The students don't have computer at home, they can use and writer application in their smartphone to write a JavaScript program. Last lecture also I told you, those students don't have a computer at home, you can use the and writer applications you can download from the Play Store, and you can use to write a HTML program or the JavaScript program. If you have any queries regarding this JavaScript, you can ask me. Thank you.